Hey guys, what are you doing?
We are looking back at our memories.
Wow, why don't you share them with us?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Life Captured. So today we are here with something very interesting and we had so much fun doing this video because it was a trip down our memory lane. We always wanted to visit a snow country and it was in November 2018 when our dream came true. Yay! So my dad made out a budget plan for our family through Holiday Factory to two European countries, Armenia and Georgia. It was a 5 days and 4 nights trip. So let's see how our trip went. Armenia, an Asian country whose capital is Yerevan. Armenian people speak Armenian language. Their currency is called dram and 1 dram is equal to 0.15 rupees. It is one of the oldest Christian countries where the first church was built. It is also home to one of the oldest wineries in the world. People who have UAE residential visa do not need a visa to go to Armenia. We started off from Dubai airport to Yerevan through Fly Dubai at 8 am in the morning. It was a 3 hours long journey and we reached there by 11 o'clock and the people from Holiday Factory came and picked us up and dropped us off at our hotel. We had a lot of time for our city tour to start and we didn't want to waste our time. So we did a small photo shoot in our room and then we went out on our own to explore the city. So when we went from Dubai to Armenia, the climate change was too much because Dubai being a very hot country and Armenia was so cold. Sometimes the temperature went to zeros and -2 or 3 degrees. We went for shopping and also saw different kinds of Armenian handicrafts. And we got to see the city life, nightlife. We saw those beautiful streets and we even explored some stores and like grocery stores and all. Our city tour started in the evening and the first thing we visited was the Mother Armenia statue, which is a peace through strength symbol for the Armenians. We also saw a cascade, which is a staircase model, and there were many different statues present there. And it was at a high altitude, so there was temperature drop and it was our first day in such a cold climate. We were literally shivering. After the city tour, we had a dinner at one of the oldest and traditional Armenian taverns. My parents were vegetarians and we were pretty much worried about the food there, but let me tell you, the food was really good. Like, the best part was the breads and the soups. So good. So we wrapped up our day here and it almost costed us 2000 rupees per head. The next day we went on a South Armenian tour. The first place that we visited was Korvikap. It is a monastery and also a church now. And to our luck, we happened to see one of the Christians' marriage there. And it is one of the most famous pilgrimage sites in Armenia. And then we went to the oldest wine cellar, which is present inside a natural cave. And the world's oldest leather shoe was found inside that cave. And overall, the cave looks so spooky. Then we went to Noravang Monastery, which is near Amagu River. It is a 3-story church and you can climb the upper stairs only through the front-faced stairs, and it is really frightening and difficult to climb those stairs. And then we went to Areni village for our lunch and the crazy thing was wine tasting. It was our first time tasting wine and we had some mixed reactions to it. You can see them in the video. Our day ends here and it costed us 3,000 per head. Georgia, a European Asian country whose capital is called Tbilisi. It is a cradle for winery and have been producing wines for at least 8,000 years. The people of Georgia speak the Georgian language and their currency is called lari, where 1 lari is equal to 24.52 rupees. People who have UAE residential visa can get their on-arrival visa at the airport. The next day we traveled from Yerevan to Tbilisi by car, where we had the best view where the mountains were covered with snow. And then we had a small tea break where I had the best hot chocolate of my life. The temperature was almost 0 degrees and hot chocolate, the best combination. And then we had a lunch at the local restaurant which served us Georgian food. The soup was so tasty that I wish I could have it again. There was a strike near the Georgia and Armenia border, because of which we had to walk a few kilometers and then we were taken to Georgia in a different vehicle. But the sad part is that our city tour was cancelled because of that. But we compensated it by going out with a school friend. So we got to see the city and we traveled through metro and they were so scary. There was a funny incident which happened there. The metro doors were closing fast and my leg got stuck in the door. Two Georgian locals, they opened the door and my leg was saved. I'm fine, nothing happened to me. And then we went to Hard Rock Cafe where we had the best mac and cheese. The day ended with some tummy full, tasty food. I like the view. Do you? You're my best view. Nah. We went to Jinbali Water Reservoir. That was the best view, not her. And then we went to another monastery which was a little bit different. This monastery was adventurous. We had to climb a lot and go through different paths and all those. I think it was like rock climbing. Is it? I think it was. I don't know. We should maybe go again to make sure. And the best part of the trip is here. We went to Godavari. We had a lunch in Godavari Inn, which was basic and normal. After that, the fun part is that we enjoyed in the snow. We clicked pictures, we danced. It was so good. And then we got to ride Polaris in the rocky, snowy mountains. We rented 2 bikes, one for me and my sister, the other one was for my parents. And then there was a guide who took us to this lake. The drive was worth it, amazing, and the view was, the view was so beautiful. It was like mind blowing. My dad was really proud of my driving. He was impressed. In short, I think I can drive well. Look at the picture. It was me who was driving. No. I was the one who was driving and she gave a pose. You can see the video. I am the one who is driving. Our first snow experience ended here and it costed 3,000 per head. We went to Jwari Monastery, which is one of the oldest churches, where we clicked few pictures and framed it in a keychain. It is still one of the good memories for us and we still have that keychain. After that, we went to this beautiful town called Matsketa, where we saw one of the best churches. It's called Svetitsko Valley Cathedral and it was so beautiful inside, and it is believed that Christ was buried there. Maybe that's why we weren't allowed to take pictures. Many film shootings take place in Georgia because of its scenery, view, and it is cheaper when compared to other countries. A day ended here and it costed us rupees 1500 per head. On the same day, our trip ended and we went back to Dubai. Thanks to Amma. It's because of her that we clicked so many pictures and recorded all these videos, and now we are able to make this video only because of her. Shout out to you, Mom. So overall, the trip costed us 1,25,000 rupees. It's a rough figure and it was for 4 adults. We hope you liked our video, and if you have visited any such kind of places, do tell us in the comment section so that we can visit them in future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.